my submission. And only certain things has been left out to be placed before this honorable court. Let me submit before this honorable court. Well, the facts of the case is that, Lordship, for your Lordships,
When was the last date?
last date was
23rd.
23rd
23rd January.
Yes.
January. Yes. This is a case where, Lordship, three accused persons from three organizations were involved: GR Infrastructure, which is a company, and its National Highway Authority of India, and Aegis, Lordship. Where, Lordship, the officials of NH Highway and Aegis Private Limited, they are taking illegal gratification from GR Infrastructure for smooth passing of the bills, Lordship. That is the main allegation, Lordship.
The matter was heard at length on 18th.
Wanted by
Yes, 18th.
Yes, ma'am.
This Mr. Haloy, now you have to.
Lordship. Lordship, I have already, I just want to refresh your Lordship. Altogether, Lordship, there are 9 accused persons. Out of this, Lordship, some of them are from GR Infrastructure. Some of them are from
But the present petition is filed only for Alok Kumar.
for Alok Kumar. He is the regional officer of NH National Highway Authority of India. So the basic allegation against him is that he, in connivance with the officials of GR Infrastructure, used to receive illegal gratification for smooth passing of the bills. That is the allegation against him. And Lordship, that apart,
And his submission is, there was the issue of
Yes.
release of bank guarantee.
Yes, Lordship. Bank guarantee.
His submission was that as per the contract
Yes.
stipulations, he has to release bank guarantee,
guarantee.
and he has accordingly released it.
Yes. Now, Lordship, what the case is that the bank guarantee has to be released within the stipulated period of time. That was not done. Rather,
It was released in two parts.
in 2 parts. First was released in the within the stipulated period. Second one is the disputed, Lordship. The second one ought to have been released on 31/5/2022. 60 days will be over after maintenance period. That is 31/5/2022. Is a period within which the bank guarantee should have been released by the department. However, it was not released within that period. That was retained, and after 9 days, it was released. And this 9 days delay is because of the fact that the petitioner, he demanded the officials of NH GR Infrastructure for securing the job of his cousin. There is a demand that is specifically there in the charge sheet as well as in the FIR, Lordship. May I take your Lordship to the FIR? Page 61, Lordship. Charge sheet, not FIR, charge sheet. Page 61, Lordship. (16.30), Lordship. Second para, Lordship, page 61 of the petition, Lordship.
Yes.
Investigation disclosed that the accused Alok Kumar, while being posted and functioning.
This is the charge sheet, part of charge sheet.
Charge sheet.
Okay.
Charge sheet, Lordship. Investigation discloses that the accused Alok Kumar, while being posted and functioning as regional officer, NHI Regional Office Guwahati, by abusing his official position as public servant, entered into criminal conspiracy with accused persons for ensuring the favorable report from the authorities engineer of Aegis India Private Limited and timely release of BGs by suppressing the questionable report of the consultant. In furtherance of the criminal conspiracy, Alok Kumar assured accused person Sunil Kumar Agarwal and Pankaj Saran for timely and smooth releasing of BGs of GR Infrastructure Infra Project Limited and obtained the undue advantage by securing a job for his distant relative in the accused company itself. So this is the main allegation against him. That apart, Lordship, there are telephonic conversation. This FIR has been registered on the basis of source information, and accordingly, CBI, they intercepted telephonic conversation between the accused person, wherefrom it reveals there are telephonic conversation between all these accused person, this petitioner, along with the officers of GR infrastructure, wherefrom it reveals.
No,
But-
is there materials?
I have already placed a bunch of document, Lordship.
No, to show that the distant relative of the
Yes, yes,
petitioner
yes, Lordship. The
in
accused,
lieu of the,
yes, Lordship. There, we have examined the relative, the person who has been appointed by GR infrastructure. We examined him. It is his statement, Lordship. I have given a copy of the statement also, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly have a look. Kumar Ankit, Lordship. I have given a separate bunch of paper, Lordship. There's a bunch of evidence against Alok Kumar, Lordship. For the prosecution, I have written, Lordship. I have supplied a copy of this branch also to the accused, Lordship. Before the matter has been taken up by this honorable court, Justice Edith Chaudhary has heard in length, Lordship. So Justice Chaudhary has directed us to produce the relevant document against this accused person. So this is a bunch of document which is available, Lordship. I have supplied a copy to the petitioner also. Lordship, may kindly have a look into the statement of PW 4, Lordship. Serial number 4, statement of PW 33, Kumar Ankit, cousin brother of Alok Kumar. Page number, Lordship, 22. Page 22, I have marked the page number separately, Lordship. Page number 22, statement of Kumar Ankit. Did your Lordship got it, Lordship?
yes,
I am as above as being asked, state that I joined GR Infrastructure Limited, Dhaka, Hismo project so and so on 1/7/22 as engineer structure and still
now
continue.
who gave him this job?
This is GR Infrastructure
The consultant,
company.
that auditor company.
No,
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 the
the main
contractor.
company to whom the award contract was awarded.
Okay,
May I, Lordship?
yes,
On being asked, I state that for getting this job, I requested my cousin brother, namely Alok Kumar, the then regional officer, NH Highway Authority of India, GS Road, Guwahati, Assam, to talk to someone who known during the month of March 2022. Actually, let the Lordship, may kindly skip next paragraph. During the conversation, did your Lordship got it? Next
yes,
paragraph.
yes.
During the conversation with my cousin brother in March 2022, he informed me that he can get a job, good job, for his senior known officer of MS GR Infra Project Limited, as this company is a contractor, got tender work from NHI for doing road project work related to rehabilitation and upgrading of existing road to 2-lane with paved shoulder configuration in Joai, Meghalaya, Assam border section. As per the wording of my cousin, I got calls from the GR Infrastructure Limited, Gurugram, for interview in the month of April-May 2022. And I attended the interview through one video conferencing and two audio conferencing. After the interview, I got offer letter from GR Infrastructure on 3/6/2022. So this is the date, 3/6/2022. This date is very important, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see. Lordship, I have already mentioned that the work, Lordship, BG's Lordship ought to have been released within 31/5/2022. That was not released immediately after the appointment with his cousin, Lordship, that is on 3/6/2022. 3/6 is the date of appointment, and on 9/6 he released the BG. immediately after 3 days. So this is the reason for which the bank guarantee was retained Lordship for 9 days. And thereafter, when his cousin was appointed Lordship, immediately he released the bank guarantee on 9/6. After the interview, I got the so issued by the Renu Tripathi of MS GR Infrastructure Limited, in which I was offered the post of engineer in the Department of Structure to be posted at Dhaka, Bhisma project at Chhattisgarh. In this letter, I was asked to join on or before 26/22.
No, where is the evidence that the bank guarantee was retained only for this purpose?
Lordship, Lordship may kindly come to the evidence of Biswajyoti Locker, statement of PW 23. Page number 23. Page, Lordship may kindly have Biswajyoti Locker, Lordship. Page 60. Page 56 starts. Page 56, Lordship. On here, the statement of Biswajyoti Locker starts.
Yes.
Page 56. Biswajyoti Locker. On being asked, I stated I am presently posted as manager, come technical project director, National Highway Authority of India, PIU Shillong, so and so. So it will continue. I'll only show the relevant portion. Now, Lordship may kindly come to page number 93. 93, Lordship. The entire from page number 56 to 90, 100, Lordship, with the statement of Biswajit Locker. Page number 93. Page number 93, your Lordship got it. 93. I have flag mark, I think.
Yes.
Lordship may kindly come to extreme right column. Right column, there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns, Lordship. Extreme right column.
Yes.
It was in the upper end, it was written as disagreement. Did your Lordship got it? Extreme right. First line is disagreement.
Yes. Second.
So, Lordship may now come down, Lordship, in clause 1.
At a glance, it is summarized.
At a glance, it was summarized that there is a delay of 9 days for releasing of performance bank guarantee amounting to rupees so and so. As per provision of contract agreement as mentioned above, that is BG should have been released by 31st/5/2022, that is 60 days after completion of defect liability period. However, the contractor so and so failed to produce NOC from Director of Mineral Resources Meghalaya within the stipulated time frame of 60 days after completion of defect liability, and in lieu thereof, the contractor submitted an undertaking on 6/6/20 white so and so, citing that shall be liable for any charge in the amount which was withheld in the final bill, and they shall not charge or claim any interest in difference of amount in case of default, and if it exceeds the recovery amount of so and so lakh against royalty and so charges on mineral use in the project of so and so. The letter dated so and so, dated 27/5/2022, issued by Ashok Kumar Singh, authorities engineer, which was forwarded to NIS of so and so, MS Aegis India Consultation so and so, from the official email dated so and so to NHIPO on 30/5/2000 was taken on record by Sushil Kumar Verma while processing the release of the bank guarantee. So this is the evidence which says that it was retained. And Lordship,
No,
the direct
The
there is
statement of PW 23 shows that it was delayed, but,
delay. So
but
the
where is the link
link, Lordship,
that it was delayed for that purpose?
directly there is no such evidence, Lordship. However, from the telephonic conversation between Lordship, there is telephonic conversation between this accused person and the officials of bank guarantee, officials of GR Infrastructure. Lordship may kindly have that.
Milord, for a minute, may I interject, Milord? Their star just a minute, for a minute, Milord. Their star witness is Ashok Kumar Singh, who is the authority engineer. Kindly see his statement, and that is duly reflected in Milord
Let him
office note. Yes, no difficulty, Milord.
telephonic conversation.
Between officials of GR and Alok Kumar, Lordship.
Where is that?
Lordship, I'm giving. Page number 39, Lordship. Sorry, Lordship. Page number 42 is a conversation between Alok Kumar and Ashok Kumar Singh. This is the authorities engineer. The main thing is that
Which number?
page number 42. Ashok Kumar Singh, Lordship, he is the authorities engineer who sent a letter, email, Lordship, whereby it reflects that he written some objectionable thing, Lordship. So the Alok Kumar, he insisted to remove that part, not recommended. Ashok Kumar Singh is from Aegis. He is the concerned engineer who used to give the recommendation. So he wrote in his letter to the NH Highway that not recommended. So that thing comes from this telephonic conversation between Ashok Kumar Singh and so and so. It is written in Hindi, Lordship,
Where is the, at page?
at page 42. Page 42. Conversation between Alok Kumar and Ashok Kumar Singh.
Yes,
It was written in Hindi, Lordship.
but
Yeah.
where it is mentioned that
Lordship may kindly come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. AK means Alok Kumar. एक लेटर आपका आ गया थोड़ा, एक लेटर आपका थोड़ा 27 पास का लेटर आया है, उसमें जो ऐसा नहीं लिखने का है बीजी रिलीज का. So there are certain objectionable remarks made by this Ashok Kumar Singh in his letter to NH Highway, National Highway. So he is saying not to write such objectionable item, objectionable language. ऐसा नहीं लिखने का बीजी रिलीज के लिए. 2 करोड़ जो खाली जो बचा हुआ बीजी था सर, हाँ हाँ हाँ, उसी के रिलीज करने का लास्ट बचा हुआ है. हाँ हाँ अशोक कुमार, हाँ हाँ कर दीजिए. So he is directing to release the bank guarantee without giving any objection. He has made some objection in his letter, not recommended, but he is insisting not to write such objectionable remarks in the letter. The letter is at page number 45.
how you link this conversation with the giving of job to the relative.
No, I'm coming there. This is another aspect.
This is a conversation between
Ashok Kumar and Ashok Kumar Singh
of
and
Aegis.
Alok Kumar, Aegis. This is with regard to the letter which Ashok Kumar Singh has sent to NHIA, which was not taken in file, Lordship, initially. After the rectification of this, he has not rectified. Even then, it was not rectified, in spite of his direction, Lordship. Even then, without any verification, they have released the bank guarantee. After getting the Lordship, now Lordship may kindly have a look on page number 45. Page number 45 is the letter to Project Director, NHI PIU Shillong.
Yes.
Lordship, now then come to 1. Para 1 to 3rd para, Lordship, down below, in the middle of the page, Lordship. 1, there is written. Accordingly, did your Lordship got it?
Yes.
Accordingly, the discharge certificate submitted by the contractor has been verified, and the comments, recommendations are given below. The net payable amount of rupees so and so as shown within bracket not recommended. So it was not recommended. In the engineer's final payment statement, so and so is not the fixed amount and the subject to be verified vary due to the following. So this not recommended word, this is the concern for the officials of GR infrastructure as well as this petitioner lordship, for which there is a telephonic conversation between Alok Kumar and Ashok Kumar. So he has not recommended for passing of the bills initially. And as because there is a noting from this engineer lordship, there was a conversation which took place between Alok Kumar. Alok Kumar is directed not to write all these things. It's clear from the recorded conversation, intercepted telephonic conversation between Alok Kumar and so.
No, that shows that it was already communicated. He was having a conversation that please look into it.
Yes,
You
but
have made some remark like not recommended.
yes,
Please
that
look into it.
you should not give. So he's insisting to not to write all these things. Not to write. He's insisting. Alok Kumar is insisting not, don't write all these things. Not recommended. So it will be difficult, it will be a hurdle for them to pass the bill. Therefore, he's insisting, Lordship. Did your Lordship got it? Without verifying, initially, the bills will have to be verified by Aegis. It was verified. Even then, Ashok Kumar Singh, who wrote this letter, and in this letter he has written but not recommended. He has written, simply written that relevant thing, Lordship, and he has written but not recommended. This but not recommended phrase has put an hurdle for the NH highway authorities to pass the bill easily. So therefore, Alok Kumar, the present petitioner, he directly directed the petitioner, I mean to say the engineer, Ashok Kumar Singh, not to write all this.
But he is not under his control.
He is under,
Aegis is
Aegis is under the control of NHI.
NHI.
Yes.
Okay.
Aegis is a company which has been appointed by NHI, Lordship, to supervise and to give the report of the bills and all. And thereafter, Lordship may kindly come to now the telephone of Sunil Kumar Agarwal and Ashok. Sunil Kumar Agarwal is the accused here. He is the accused number 3, the president and executive director of GR. So here, Lordship, conversation between page number 47, Lordship. Sunil Kumar Agarwal and Ashok Kumar. What business does he have with this Ashok Kumar? Bills will have to come in the initial process, usual process from all the concerned table, Lordship. But however, Lordship, despite all these things, Lordship, Sunil Kumar Agarwal, he constantly used to have talk with Alok Kumar. There's a link. 47, Lordship, page number 47.
Yes, what is 47?
Lordship, I'll not read the entire conversation, Lordship. Down below, Lordship, उस अमाउंट के वैल्यू 3%, did your Lordship, down below, last 3 line,
Yes.
AKA, sorry, SKA, Sunil Kumar Agarwal. SKA means Sunil Kumar Agarwal.
Who is
And
Sunil Kumar Agarwal?
Yes. SKA means Sunil Kumar Agarwal.
Who is he?
He is the vice president and the executive director of GR Infrastructure
The
company,
company.
Lordship, to whom the contract was awarded. सुनील कुमार अग्रवाल, उस अमाउंट की वैल्यू की 3% की बीजी अगर आपको
Yes, yes.
उस अमाउंट की वैल्यू की 3% की बीजी अगर आपको चाहिए तो हम दे देंगे, लेकिन हमारी रिमेनिंग की बीजी जो हमारी जो वर्क के अगेंस्ट में वो हमारे को रिलीज कर दे आप उसको, तो वो भी चीज का भी में तो उसके बाद में उनका कोई रिप्लाई तो आया नहीं. देन अशोक कुमार लक्षित, अच्छा कुछ बोले स्पॉट में
Black spot.
में कुछ
Black spot.
ब्लैक स्पॉट में कुछ सिंगल शब्द लगाते थे, सब गलत गए हैं, सब चीज गलत गए हैं आपकी. So there are certain irregularities. सर जो आपने बताया था सर, वो सारी काम करवा दिया, सब करवा दिया सर। ठीक है, ठीक है। So again, other things will come, and then lordship in the middle again, line number 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 lordship conversation again. SKA 19 lordship line. तो आप मेरे वो डिटेल लॉर्डशिप got it. हाँ, तो आप मेरे वो ओरिजिनल दीजिए, आप मेरे को दे दीजिए। मैं ये जो अमाउंट है उसकी 3% की आप मैं जमा करा दूंगा आपको, जब भी आप मेरे को अमाउंट बताओगे। तो डियर अशोक कुमार, हाँ हाँ हाँ, मैं बीजी दे दूंगा आपको। एक अशोक कुमार अगेन, अच्छा हाँ हाँ अशोक कुमार, सॉरी सुनील कुमार। और सर जो इसलिए मैंने सर थोड़ा सा आपको सर
These are part of the case diary.
yes, lordship, we have already supplied, I think supplied this, I've already supplied to them also. And lordship, these are just part of the case that we have relied upon all these documents, telephonic conversation. And the case is fixed for lordship consideration of charge, lordship. And lordship, regarding the interview part, here again it will come. Take a lordship. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है। अच्छा, उसका इंटरव्यू जो गया ना बच्चे का, हाँ बच्चे का इंटरव्यू सर, मैं 2 दिन बॉम्बे गया हुआ था, मैं अभी पता कर लेता हूँ। हाँ, लेकिन वो उसके डॉक्यूमेंट वगैरह सारी बातचीत हो गया थी उसमें लड़के से। एक मैंने कॉल तो सेंड कर दिया था, कर इंटरव्यू भी कर लिया था उन्होंने। मैं करवा दूंगा सर, मैं करवा दूंगा। हाँ, तो उसको करवा दीजिए। तो दिस इज द इंटरव्यू पार्ट ऑफ the part which is
No,
there.
but he is not saying that.
No, lordship, they are
You give
Exactly.
him a job, I will release you PG.
lordship, such type of conversation a higher person like this petitioner will never do. He is a regional officer. Such person will never demand directly. We will have to, from this evidence, we'll have to draw inference, lordship. We'll have to draw inference from the evidence of the cousin, from the telephonic conversation. These are the evidence, lordship. He is not a lordship person below a grade, lordship. He is a regional officer, lordship. He has attended certain height, lordship. From the conversation, we can definitely, lordship, infer.
No, but there is no conversation that from which you can infer that it is in lieu of what is being done, lieu of releasing of bank guarantee. Yeah, because you have to show before the trial court
Lordship,
that it was in lieu of.
exactly, lordship. That evidence, lordship, these are the prima facie evidence. Here at the time of framing charge and all, lordship, whether prima facie case has been made out or not. Trial is a different chapter, lordship. Trial will have to prove beyond reasonable doubt. Now this case has been fixed for hearing on charge, whether on the material available on record, whether a prima facie case has been made out against the accused or not. That has to be looked into by the honorable court, trial court, after sifting and weighing the evidence available on record.
Okay. Proceed.
Lordship. Now, lordship, this apart from these evidences, there is a demand, lordship, with regard to selling of a machine. There is a machine, DM machine of GR infrastructure. This accused person, he tried to sell and he demanded 50,000 rupees. That is though not a part of the charge sheet, but even then while investigating, statement of witnesses has come on record which reveals that he demanded 50,000 rupees, Lordship, in lieu of selling of a DM plant, which is a property of GR Infrastructure. So that is also there, Lordship.
No, but is that the basis of the charge sheet which
That
is
is not there in the charge sheet, Lordship. However,
That-
evidence has come on record, Lordship. Evidence has come on record, Lordship. That I want to draw your Lordship attention, Lordship. Evidence of Lordship. Rajesh Sharma, Lordship. PW 26.
No, okay. Otherwise, that aspect, he's challenging the charge sheet only.
Lordship.
So this aspect you have not brought in the
Not
charge
there
sheet.
in the charge sheet, I think. That is not there in the charge sheet.
So that will be of no help if you are considering the
Lordship.
fair question as to whether to quash the charge sheet.
Lordship.
Both of you have given short, I have asked
Lordship.
both
Yes, my lord, I have given.
short,
Yes, my lord, I have given brief synopsis and also the judgments on the issue. My
gist
learned
of
friend,
your argument.
no, my
Lordship,
learned friend
we
has
have
not.
filed our written objection to it.
You have filed?
Yes,
Okay.
written objection we have filed. And now, Lordship, the petitioner, they want to say that section 17A. Now, whether section 17A is applicable in this case or not. That is the thing which this honorable court has to see. My respectful submission is that 17A is not applicable because 17A, what 17A says is that the offense, Lordship, alleged offense has to have some relation with the has to be I forgot the reason. May I read, Lordship? Recommendation made or decision taken. That is the language, I think. 17A. ये हमारा थोड़ा complicated है. Enquiry, Lordship. An enquiry or investigation by a officer, police officer, when can be done in order to register a case under the PC Act, Lordship. In case of, Lordship, no police officer shall conduct any inquiry or investigation into offense when the alleged offense to have been committed by a public servant under this act, where the alleged offense is relatable to any recommendation made or the decision taken by a public servant in the discharge of his official duty. So, the alleged offense has to be in relation to recommendation made or a decision taken by a public servant while discharging his official duty. That is the reading. And for that, approval from the concerned authority is required. What is the alleged offense in this case? The alleged offense is not relatable to any recommendation made. Here in this case, he has approved. He has not recommended. He has not taken any decision. There is no decision on the part of this accused person, this petitioner, Lordship, with regard to the release of the bank guarantee. Nowhere he has written that I recommend so and so, so and so. I have taken a decision so and so, so and so. Here in this case, he demanded quid pro quo for securing the job of his cousin, Lordship. He demanded illegal gratification as a reward for in performing his duty, Lordship. He demanded the job of his cousin, Lordship. Here the allegation is demand of bribery, Lordship. And Lordship, what section 7 says is now it is not limited to only pecuniary benefit, Lordship. Undue advantage. The word has been, after the Amendment Act come into play, Lordship, after 2018, section 7 has been amended, Lordship. Earlier, Lordship, section 7 is different, Lordship. Now, Lordship, the reading of section 7 is that any public servant who obtains or accepts or even attempt to obtain from any person any undue advantage. Any undue advantage. It is not limited to any pecuniary benefit, Lordship. Now, undue advantage has been defined under this act. Here, the undue advantage is the job of his cousin lordship. I'll borrow your book. This is very complicated. I have lost my book, lordship. Somewhere I have left. So this one is also PCX, but this one is complicated. New, I think has come, certain thing has been added.
The section 7 clause
Section 7,
A.
lordship. Section 7,
A.
Lord, did your lordship got it?
Yes.
Any public servant, clause A, obtains or accepts or attempt to obtain any person from any person an undue advantage with the intention to perform or cause performance of any public duty improperly or dishonestly, or to forbear or cause forbearance to perform such duty either by himself or by other person, or obtains or accept or attempt to obtain an undue advantage from any person as a reward for improper or dishonest performance of a public duty, or for forbearing to perform such duty either by himself or other public servant, or performs or induce another public servant to perform improperly or dishonestly a public duty, or to forbear performance of such duty in anticipation of or in consequence of accepting or an undue advantage from any person, shall be liable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 years, which may extend to 7. So this is the reading. So undue advantage, undue advantage has been now defined in the Act, lordship. What is undue advantage, lordship?
Where it is different.
Lordship, it is in page number 4 of the Act. This Act, lordship, in the definition column, lordship, section 2, lordship, definition. Next page 4, lordship, we have the barrack, down below D, undue advantage. Did your lordship got it? Down below
Okay, section 2D.
2D, undue advantage means any gratification whatever other than legal remuneration. For the purpose of this clause, the word gratification is not limited to pecuniary gratification or to gratification estimable in money. So the money part is not the only factor here, lordship. The expression legal remuneration is not restricted to remuneration paid to the public, but includes all remuneration which is permitted by the. So clearly, lordship, the gratification is not limited to pecuniary gratification.
So your main argument is that the second part of the bank guarantee was delayed for 9 days.
9 days
Only because
to
In-
secure
to secure the post of a job in the
Agree.
company.
yes. That
And
part,
after he was given the job, it was
released.
released.
Yes. That apart, telephonic conversations are there between the officers of GR with regard to the release of bank guarantee, with regard to the modification of that letter, recommendation letter, not recommended it was written. Alok Kumar insisted the officials of AGs not to write such kind of
But
phrases.
Aegis is not the contract company.
AGs,
Aegis is a kind of auditing company.
yes, supervising
Which recommends whether to release
the bank guarantee.
bank guarantee or not.
Bank guarantee bills everything, lordship. They supervise, they give the report whether they have utilized, whether they have worked or not. They give a report, and thereafter that report has to be sent to the project director. And
So
project
Aegis is an independent
Aegis is a company which has been
outsourced.
outsourcing.
So
Appointed-
they are not within the control of the petitioner.
they are under the control of the petitioner. NH Highway. It is NH Highway, not directly appointed by, though he was not, the Aegis was not appointed directly by the petitioner. Even then, lordship, the NH Highway, National Highway Authority of India has appointed that company to supervise and to pass the bills and all. So it is the discretion of this Aegis. If the Aegis say no, don't give bill, they will not give. They are required to verify the bills and all everything. If Aegis say not recommended, then they will is required to verify that they have not done. Lordship.
But the telephonic conversation which you are referring to,
Lordship.
their only request was made, please look into it.
Yes. Please look into it. Don't write such word. It may create telephonic conversation with Ashok Kumar and so and so.
He has not stated that don't write such word.
He has written. एक लेटर आपका आ गया था कि हाँ? 27/5 का लेटर आया था,
27/1.
उसमें जो ऐसे नहीं लिखने का, इसमें नहीं लिखने का है डीजी रिलीज का, तो इंसिस्टिंग डोंट राइट,
Not to write.
not to write. Even then he has not withdrawn, even though he has requested, but he has not, the Ashok Kumar Singh, he has not withdrawn that letter. That is a part of the record. And ultimately, Lordship,
No, what it implies.
it implies
Suppose
that,
he is having a conversation
yes,
with a company which has been appointed to
Lordship,
monitor, and he is having a conversation that you have mentioned that not recommended, it should not have been written.
Oh.
It in itself would imply some illegal
So what-
gratification.
Lordship, no. What does it imply, Lordship? It implies the relation between the officers of Gian Infrastructure with him. What business does he have directly to contact with the Aegis, engineer of Aegis? He ought to have insisted the project director directly to engineer, authorities engineer. Engineer, what business does he have? He's a topmost official of NSI. He's the boss. He should have insisted his official. Why he? What is the reason behind, Lordship?
No, this
What is the reason behind? The reason behind is that not only this accused person, all other accused person, therefore the trap has been laid. Trap has been laid and the officers of NH Highway were apprehended, Lordship.
But with that trap, you have not linked the present petitioner.
With
The-
that, no, Lordship,
The trap which the CBI had laid,
laid,
in which two persons were found to taking illegal
Right.
gratification.
right, Lordship,
Neither they have named the present petitioner,
right.
nor you can link that with the present petitioner.
Link, Lordship, direct link
Because
is not,
what I have understood that your main submission as regards the present petitioner is that
Lordship,
he took undue advantage of getting his cousin
yes,
or nephew appointed in the contract
Yes.
company.
that is the
For that, some material has to be there to
Lord.
show
Lordship.
that this appointment was in lieu of some thing which he should
Attempt
not have
Lordship.
done.
Attempt,
Some
Lordship.
attempt made by,
attempt. Section 7 will come into play, Lordship.
so attempt was there.
Attempt was there.
Apart from this gratification,
It was not attempt, Lordship, it was done. It was not attempt also. He was appointed.
attempted,
Undue advantage is not attempt. It was, the work was done.
and therefore it was
But
delayed for 9 days.
9 days. That is the reason for delay of withholding the bank guarantee for 9 days. That apart in the charge sheet, Lordship, allegations against the petitioner is there. That allegations are there, Lordship. So there are no direct materials.
No, that is their
Direct
ground for challenging,
No,
that
no,
you
Lordship.
are alleging, but you don't have materials.
Lordship, today, after consulting the, not today, when the matter was listed, Lordship, these are the documents supplied to me. And also a voluminous document, where many documents were seized. All those documents we have not produced. The challenge here is the crossing of the charge sheet and the FIR.
Your Mr. Man,
Yes, my lord.
your main ground is that there is no materials.
There are two limbs of argument, my lord. One is that the proceedings could not have been initiated by the CBI without compliance of section 17A.
17.
Because at the end of the day, I was not arrested at the spot taking money. I was not arrested. I had nothing to do with that trap proceedings. So therefore, the trap proceedings, since I was not part of that, I was not alleged to have received that money. I was, if Section 17A was inserted by the parliament for a particular purpose, my lord, and that is the protection.
No, I have queries for.
Yes, my lord. I will answer all the queries, my lord. I have answered to all my learned brothers, friends'
Okay.
contention.
No, Mr. Halloy,
Lordship.
today you have pointed out one, according to you, which may be regarded as one material on the basis of which charge sheet has been laid.
Lordship.
That is
Lordship.
the appointment of the cousin of the petitioner in lieu of some and that is
Undue
in itself may be regarded as an undue advantage.
Lordship.
What else is there?
Lordship, this is the only thing, and that part I have pointed out to your Lordship. He demanded 50,000 rupees. That
That is not,
has come in during investigation, Lordship. I would like to point out, Lordship.
yes,
The statement of witness was recorded, therefore I am placing, Lordship. Statement, Lordship. Rajesh Sharma, PW 26, Lordship. PW 26 is a statement of Rajesh Kumar Sharma, proprietor of MR Construction. Page number 24.
now on this thing which came into light during investigation,
Lordship,
Rajesh Sharma,
Lordship,
some investigation was conducted.
Lordship.
What was the result?
Result is, Lordship, this is the result, Lordship.
No,
During the
if-
investigation of
if
that
on
case.
that basis,
Lordship, during the investigation of the trap case, these things just come into play, Lordship. Come into light, Lordship. During investigation, what is the character of this accused person? There is an allegation, certain allegation has been labeled in the
no, I want to understand
Lordship.
how with those trap cases
Lordship.
where the two employees of NHAI were arrested
Lordship.
red-handed, caught red-handed in the trap.
Hmm.
How are you linking the present petitioner with that case?
Lordship.
Are you linking
No,
first?
trap is a different thing, Lordship. Trap was laid on the basis of a source information and telephonic conversation.
So that is in with relation to two different accused persons.
No. Lordship, during telephonic conversation, Lordship, and the allegation in the FIR. What is the allegation? Allegation in the FIR not only against the Sunil Kumar, those who were apprehended. Allegations are there against this accused person also.
Okay.
It is not that there is an allegation against only the person who were apprehended. Allegations are there in the FIR against this accused person for demanding
But what is there to substantiate?
after trap, Lordship, when we intercepted the telephonic conversation, this has come on record regarding the conversation between the officials of GR and this accused person. Telephonic conversations, these are the materials, Lordship, wherefrom it reveals that the accused person has close link with the officials of GR. And he tried every possible means to release the BG, to release the bills. What business does he have, Lordship? He is a supreme authority of that organization, Lordship, in the northeastern region, Lordship. There are officials.
And your, okay. And your submission regarding 17A is that
Not required as because the offense, what is the alleged offense? Alleged offense is with regard to bribery. Demand of bribe cannot be regarded as a duty which has been performed in discharge of its official duty. That is laid down by Honorable Supreme Court in Prakash Singh Badal, Lordship.
but he
Demand of bribe, Lordship, cannot be regarded as an act done in discharge of his official duty, Lordship.
but he was not found taking bribe.
Demand is there. Demand of illegal undue advantage. Bribe is a different factor. Bribe here has been defined under Section 7. What is undue advantage? Gratification is not only limited to pecuniary gratification, Lordship. So regarding all those things, Lordship, you'll also have to see whether prima facie case has been made out or not. And regarding the quashing, Lordship, I'd like to lay
Okay.
down certain,
What
only one
I will
judgment.
I will go through your written submissions. Both, I have some queries.
Yes, my lord.
It has to be straight.
Few certain issues that my learned friend raised, my lord, for kind consideration for my lord before my lord take my lord go for reading. My lord, he says that I called Ashok Kumar Singh.
Your part is over.
My part is over, Lordship. One judgment is, Lordship knows about the Bhajan Lal, Lordship. Certain guidelines has been laid down by Honorable Supreme Court, and the power under Section 482 has to be exercised very sparingly in a restricted manner. What are the conditions? What are the guidelines? It is laid down in this Bhajan Lal's case.
So
Lordship.
is
I'm
it your
relying-
submission that his case is not covered
No.
by any of the
No, yes. Yes, any of the guidelines as
Laid
laid
down
down by
Bhajan?
Bhajan Lal's case. Lordship.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Man,
Yes, my lord. My lord, my learned friend says.
today we are over.
Yes, I understand, my lord. But only one thing, my lord. He says that I asked the authority engineer not to write that. My lord, it is a continuous chain of communication between authority engineer and between the NHI. And in that communication, my lord, there is a letter of 20th where he specifically mentions that he recommends to release. And my lord, in the letter of 27th, he says release this amount but not recommended. Kindly see for a minute, my lord, what my learned friend says that I influenced him.
From the conversation,
Yes, I will answer that.
I'm not. Lordship,
I will
I'm not
answer that.
disputing the letter.
Okay, not today.
Right, my lord.
I'm fixing it. I'll jot down some queries.
Yes.
We'll go through your submissions. You can reply on the next date.
Yes, my
Next day, we will wind it up.
yes, my
When it would be convenient for
9th, my lord, if possible.
Mr. Dhal.
तुम्हारा OTP क्या है? 16. 9 of every added one. 8 on 8. 8 is 2, 7 is 2.
8th is fine.
No, just a minute. Can it be after 14?
Lordship. Make
That's
it
fine, my lord.
16 Lordship. No. 20 Lordship.
15.
20 then. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday.
Uh,
20th Lordship.
Heard Mr. M. Haloi, learned Special Public Prosecutor CBI, who has concluded his submissions. Mr. S. Man has to reply on the submissions made by Learned Council, Learned Special Public Prosecutor. The hearing could not be concluded due to paucity of time. Let this matter be listed again as partner matter on
20th.
20th February.
Get him.
You have submitted the gist of
Yes.
your both parties.
Yes, my lord. I had submitted, my lord. He had submitted only in reply to our rejoinder.
In one page,
One page, Lordship, that if your Lordship, I have supplied a copy of the documents, Lordship, along with that, the first page and the second page is the gist. First page and the second page, Lordship. The evidence against Alok Kumar, Lordship. FIR. Statement of so-and-so, statement of so-and-so.
no, what I suggest, you know the submissions of the counsel for the petitioner,
Lordship.
that on these grounds he have prayed for quashing. You put your counter submission in bullet points so that it would be easier for me to go.
And we had also made 7-8 page submissions, my lord, brief submissions, and also 4-5 judgments that I had placed on record.
Putul, ಈ written submission ಉಲಾಯಿ ಮುಗಿಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Grateful. Uh-huh.